na gustong lumabas at umalis doon sa danger area. So as of early this morning, 10 ang gusto magpa-repatriate from Iran. Ang pinakamarami from Israel, 297, 22 from Jordan, 231 from Bahrain, 586 from Dubai, 270 from Abu Dhabi. Altogether, that's 1,416 Filipino nationals who have requested repatriation. Ito ngayon ang problema. Ang problema, walang lumilipad na eroplano. At yung mga airport ay tinatamaan na. We have heard reports of attacks on different airports around the region. Generally this is by Iran. Yung mga tumulong sa Amerika at yung mga bansa na tumulong sa Amerika ay inaatake ngayon ng Iran as retaliatory strikes. Kaya very fluid ang situation. Ang assessment namin is delikado siguro magpalipad. Kahit na kaya nating magkumuha ng eroplano at ipasok, wala tayong magagawa. Dahil, number one, the airports are closed. There are all no-fly zones. This is a combat area. And ang kinakatakutan ko sa lahat ay yung nangyari, I'm sure nabalitaan ninyo lahat, 3 fighter jet ng Amerikano ay pinabagsak ng Kuwait by accident, by mistake. So, kung commercial airline, baka magkamali din at baka they will attack it by mistake. So that's what we are worried about. So siguro yung pagpalipad ay hindi muna natin gagawin. Ngayon, by land, meron mga option na nagsasabing by land. Yun din ay delikado din dahil kung magkaroon ng friendly fire incident, alam nyo, pagka may putukan, it is an active combat zone. Pag nakakita ka ng maraming sasakyan, baka bombahin yun. Because they will misidentify it as some hostile movement. So that is also dangerous. Although that will be the best option that we will have as in the immediate future. Dahil nga kinakatakutan pa natin yung pagpalipad. So, ang advice na binibigay natin sa ating mga kababayan ay maghanap kayo ng safe place at doon kayo muna at you stay there and you stay in a safe place and stay indoors and stay away from areas of danger. Sa ngayon, we have the most dangerous area for our people right now would be Israel. Dahil tuloy-tuloy ang attack sa Israel. But the situation is Israel, dahil sanay sila sa gera, marami silang mga bomb shelter na pwedeng pagtaguan. At yun ang naging advice namin sa ating mga kababayan, doon muna kayo. Para maging mas maginhawa para sa kanila, kumuha tayo ng nakipag-usap tayo sa mga iba't ibang hotel na malapit doon sa bomb shelter, na doon sila muna pumunta, at pagka may air raid alarm, tumakbo muna sila sa bomb shelter. And that is the advice we have given to our nationals in Israel and also our nationals everywhere else. Na if you are in a safe place, kung malayo naman kayo, just stay put and be safe. And we will slowly try to find ways. For those who want to be repatriated, we will find ways to get you out safely. And that is the key thing here. Pinakauna nating tinitignan ay dapat ligtas sila, hindi sila magka-problema, hindi sila ma-attack dahil sa misidentification, dahil nga tuloy-tuloy ang